2020 has been a year like no other. Every day has brought new challenges. At times, it's been incredibly trying for so many of us. The unpredictability, the exhaustion, the constant pivoting and searching for things to look forward to. So many of us have also served as a source of bright light during this unusual year. Each story is worth listening to. So why not share them?
Depressing. I lost two of my very close relatives who were tested positive for the COVID but could not make it somehow.
The overall experience of Corona has been a learning one. I have learned a lot in this Corona time.
It was not bad at all, but there were also quite a bit of sad moments, like migrants walking back home and people losing their jobs.
I'll say horrible. I hated this year. Like right from the start, I didn't get to graduate. I didn't get a farewell party.
It's little bit, in the beginning it's very entertaining because living home, not allowed to go anywhere, being in your space.
It was very fortunate because I got to spend most of my lockdown period with my friends in Goa.
I have explored a lot of things.
काफी भारी साल था सबके लिए.
I'm glad it happened. As absurd as it may sound, I'm really happy it happened because people were taking things for granted, that things that they weren't supposed to take for granted.
I survived. My God, I did.
It was a mixed bag of emotions. सभी के लिए ये साल बहुत मुश्किल था, मेरे लिए भी था.
Letting go of the inertia we were so habituated to, that it took us a while to live the unexpected.
No unlearning. I had no unlearning because what I used to believe is somehow still profound in the post-COVID era.
The fact that we need time for doing things. We actually seriously don't need time for doing things. We have a lot of time ourselves. Corona was an example कि time हो तब भी चीज़ें नहीं हो पाती.
Earlier I used to make long-term goals, but now I think long-term goals are not very sustainable, and I'll keep making short-term goals for myself to keep myself driving in the right direction.
To really have minimal fuss about pretty much everything in life.
So I basically unlearned the concept that you have to prepare for your goals and your career goals, your entire life, your entire academic life. So I mean, it's okay if even after you graduate, post-graduate, at whatever time in life you feel that your goals have changed, your passions and interests have changed, you should and you have the right to pursue it, and you can pursue it.
I'm not able to study. I forget about all the study and all the things, my office work and all. Okay, that's a big unlearning.
The biggest unlearning for me was the concept of self-care, because I would do self-care if I had someone to accept and recognize that for some reason. But then I unlearned and I learned that self-care में पहले self आता है.
हम बेशक मार्स पे पहुंच जाएं, पर ज़मीन पे अभी भी वायरस हमसे बहुत तक रहा है.
No, there's nothing about having a destiny or something. You have to chase your destiny. If you like something, if you want something, you have to go after it.
Not settling for anything, professionally or personally. I don't want to settle for anything that not makes me happy.
वो लोग जिनका अपना छोटा छोटा जो है वो बिजनेस है, वो लोग जो रोज़ सुबह उठते हैं इस होप में कि आज इतने की वो कमाई हो जाएगी, ऐसे लोग जिनका सस्टेनेबल अप्रोच नहीं रहता है अपने वो बिज़नेस का, फाइनेंस का, मुझे उनके लिए जो है बहुत जो है वो तकलीफ हुई.
Constant nagging of my family members and कुछ too much togetherness actually. Seeing them 24/7 was a blessing in disguise.
Restrictions have compelled us to keep at a one place. So I think we have lost our freedom, and that has been the biggest torture for all of us.
This feeling of gloominess at times, it was a little to overcome and all that.
I figured that people are not empathetic. Like earlier there was an excuse that everybody is busy in their own lives, but I thought that this year when everybody was confined in their homes and they had literally nothing to do, people will develop more empathy towards other people, you know, bring the society up together. But that did not happen. So that,
how long it will take? Okay, because after some time I realized it's really boring. It's taking out of my time.
My government, my Bumble dates, and the food delivery people who could never locate my place.
Corona itself only bothered. Or what else?
Conspiracy theories. ये वायरस मुसलमान है, ये वायरस शिया है, ये वायरस यहूदियों का है, ये वायरस बिल गेट्स का है. All these theories.
What if I end up losing somebody from the closest circle? That could be family, friends, people that I know of.
मैं ज़्यादा बाहर निकल नहीं पाई, शायद ज़्यादा धूप नहीं खा पाई क्योंकि घर में रहना था.
Love that I received from my friends, from my family, used to be on video call.
Family, friends, students, I must say humans, and the tales of compassion in sacrifices and survival.
I've learned gardening, and it helped me calm my nerves and basically kept me away from all the hula.
My willpower, my spouse.
What kept me going was definitely work to a large extent, and also, exercise and reading. They really improved my state of mind.
friends, I reconnected with some old friends, I made some new friends. So yeah, friends kept me going, friends kept me alive.
My work and my cats.
All this. Can you see the to-do lists? The post-its? They're all over my room. So my work kept me going. The work I like, that kept me going.
Family, friends.
I had to constantly motivate myself. A lot of self-talking happened during that time because I was by myself for quite some time. A lot of self-talking.
Self-care, me time. I finally made some time to take care of myself personally, emotionally. I began therapy this year.
So I'm hoping कि कोविड की वैक्सीन आ जाए, लोगों तक पहुंच जाए और लोग एक सस्टेनेबल तरीका इख्तियार करें ज़िंदगी को जीने का.
I'm undoubtedly very hopeful for the coming year and the things I'm gonna do.
I think and I hope next year will be better in comparison with 2020. In every manner, it should be better than 2020.
Not much, honestly, not much. I was very hopeful about 2020 also.
The human race is actually a fighter race. So I think next year, especially the South Asians and whatever there is, the Pakistani, Indians, Bangladeshi, whatever, they will come up with out of it.
Hopeful? Do I have a choice? I do not have a choice but to live with grace and grit.
I hope that I'm hopeful for the next year. I have no idea. I really have no idea how hopeful I am for the next year.
Oh, I am a hopelessly optimistic person. I'm always hopeful.
ठीक है.
I want to make new friends, I want to make new enemies, envies, and I want to visit new places.
Many degrees next year, in the coming year, and I'm really hopeful for that.
Health, wealth and happiness.
I think I would like to be a team lead and then probably get married. I mean, even if it's not an issue. And the third thing would be, I'd always wanted to spend a few years abroad studying or working, and maybe this year could be it.
First of all, I want to get into a good master's program or a fellowship. Second, I think I want to, I need a chance. I want to work with some people in the field I want to build my career in, and take a vacation.
I want to do something savings by which can I help myself and the people also. The second thing, I want to as soon as possible enroll in my PhD. I'll very much more about that. And the third one is, I want to be fit again.
Peace, peace and peace in whatever I do fiercely.
Better mental health, visit to Pakistan, and money, of course.
Mental health for sure. I want to work on my mental health. I think I have this problem of aggression. I want to be more organized maybe. I don't know. I don't know if I want to. I just want to live the next year also, and I hope I'm able to survive.
Travel, work, and money.
I want to make more films. Go out, tell people that you do something like this. I do something like this, and this is the kind of work that I want. And number 2 is work on myself, expand my art business as much as I can.
Talking realistically, I only want to work on myself. I want to work on my anxiety. अपने थोड़े एंगर को मैनेज करना चाहती हूँ, शायद एक बेहतर इंसान बनना चाहती हूँ. बाकी yeah, pretty much this is it. I hope that things get better for everybody in the country, in the world, in the universe this coming year, and let's just hope that we keep getting stronger.